Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. This is Vaishali, your English teacher. So, children, do you all know tomorrow is 26th January? And 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day every year in India. Do you know why? I will tell you in this video. And at the end of this video, you will learn why Republic Day is celebrated. So, what you have to do is, you have to write a poem of 4 lines or 8 lines or 12 lines according to you about India or Republic Day. Okay? This you have to do in your English reader notebook. So, let's start today's class. So children, 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day every year in India. And this time we are going to celebrate 72nd Republic Day. Do you know what happened on this day? On this day, the Constitution of India came into force. Yes, on 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. The President of India addresses the nation on this day. Do you know what is a constitution? The basic laws or rules of a country or organization is known as constitution. These rules together make constitution. When the Indian Constitution, consisting of rules and laws to govern our country, adopted. That's why 26 January is celebrated as Republic Day. So children, what you have to do is, you have to write a poem on this day. You can write a beautiful poem about India or on Republic Day. So first of all, I will recite mine, the poem which I have selected, and what you have to do is, you have to write your own poem in your English reader notebooks. So let's recite this poem together. Ours is a land of sages, known for bravery for ages. None can with it compete, its culture none can beat. Whatever caste or religion, all live here in unison. With rivers, sweet fountains, it's a land of high mountains. Its green forests are pretty and are source of prosperity. Let's for it work hard, for its safety be on guard. So this is the beautiful poem which says that our India is a land of good people. As you all know, our freedom fighters have done a lot for our country. And the sages means the good people who helped our country, known for bravery for ages. We all remember Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri, that did so much for our country, right? None can with it compete, its culture none can beat. India. The culture of India is so beautiful, so good that none can beat it. Whatever caste or religion, all live here in unison. The people have different caste, different religion, but still we all live in unity. Right? We all live with unity. With rivers, sweet fountains, it's a land of high mountains. So here we are talking about the beautiful nature, with rivers. We have rivers, fountains, high mountains. This adds beauty to our country. We also have green forest, which are quite pretty and are source of prosperity. As you all know that trees are so important part of our nature. They are source of prosperity. Let's for it work hard, for its safety be on guard. So we have to protect our country always. We have to be there with our country always and for its safety. So this is all about this poem. Now children, what you have to do is to write your own self-composed poems. You can write it of 4 to 8 lines in your English reader notebook. All right, and you have to send it to me. Thank you so much.